The reason why you should replace the thermostat as part of any cooling job, even if the vehicle hasn't overheated, is because these things have a limited lifespan. The reason why a thermostat has a limited lifespan is what's inside this brass capsule. Inside of here is a wax. Over time, it heats up and cools down over the many heat cycles that the engine goes through, and it degrades the wax. When it degrades, well, it tends to get soft, and the thermostat remains open. It's bad news if the thermostat is not working, particularly for emissions and carbon deposits on the engine. If the engine cannot heat up in a short period of time, it runs rich. When it runs rich, you build up carbon deposits either on the pistons or the valves or other components inside the engine. It also hurts the overall economy of the vehicle, and they're not going to be getting the same gas mileage that they used to. So if you're doing a cooling system job at your shop, let's say it's a timing belt and you're replacing the water pump, it might be a good idea to also replace the thermostat. Why? Because these things, they can fail. And when they fail, the customer may not notice, but they're going to notice when it damages their engine. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.